Okay, so review tayo ng mga copy trading strategies na pwede nating kopyahan. Okay, so may mga nagtatanong dyan and ito popost natin sa Telegram community natin and dun nga sa nagtatanong kung ano yung mga pwede nilang kopyahan dito. So ito yung mga ano natin, no, ito yung mga mga characteristics ng strategy na titingnan natin. So before nabanggit ko na, no, the reason why G Horizon Funds A is at the top. Yan, tingnan natin, no. High rating, no. So isa sa mga characteristics is of course drawdown. Yan, so pwede nyo adjust yan. I suggest you use laptop, desktop version instead of mobiles. Kasi mas kompleto. Mas kompleto nyo siya makikita. Yan. So max drawdown, as you can see, 180 days, 0.93%. 90 days, lagay natin. Yan. So, very ano talaga, no? Performance level talaga to si G Horizon Funds. And hindi siya, kumbaga, um, hindi siya hype, no? Makikita nyo, 371. It's not that big as compared to others, pero something na stable. Yan. So, isa rin niya sa mga tinitingnan. We're not looking for a hype kasi ibig sabihin, they're they're over trading or malaki yung lot size, no? So, we don't want that kasi prone yan sa wipeout. And kapag na-wipeout yung kinokopya nyo, malamang sa malamang wipeout din kayo. Yan. So, one of the things din na titingnan natin is yung, of course, yung return YTD max monthly return. So, as you can see, 155 is very big for a monthly return. Yan. So, you can check weekly, daily. So, that's the max, no? It's not, di ibig sabihin na you can expect that every month. So, sometimes it's just 50, but the maximum is 155. And that was March, no? Nung naka 155% siya dito. And sometimes it's not. So, may mga months na wala, no? Yan, 8% is actually not bad, no? 7% is not bad. 59%. So, may mga ganyang pagkakataon. So, what what we want to do with this is that we want to stay with this strategy provider para we could get those movements, no? Yung pagtaas niya. Yan. So I highly suggest you can, if you have 100% of your capital here, you can put at least 30%, 30 to 40%, depends on you. But I highly suggest 30 to 40%. And nga, hindi lang naman din ako nakakita niyan. There's a lot of copiers, 497. Out of 500, there's 497. Profit sharing is 25%, which is not bad for a performance, no? Okay na rin yan. Yan. And ito yung mga tinitrades niya. Daily PNL, wala. Yan. Max drawdown, no? Talagang nagko-close siya ng mga trades niya. Which is talagang performance level talaga tong G Horizon Funds na to. Yan. Orders, you can check the orders, yung history. Yan. Okay. And yan, mga copiers, napakarami, no? 497 out of 500. Watchers, wala na yan, no? And all you need to do, once you fund your copy trading account, you can just copy this, no? First, of course, create a copy trading account. So aside from you creating a Vantage Markets account, sa profile, yan, click nyo and then create an account and create a copy trading account. No, it's very important that you have a copy trading account and then of course deposit. And then from there, you just need to copy. Yan. From the copy, yan, lagay nyo lang kung magkano yung i-copy nyo out of your total capital. Okay, so back tayo. Okay. So hanap tayo dito sa mga low risk and stable. So we have here high win rate. So again, drawdown should be low, and they should be a strategy provider for quite a time, no? At least 6 months. And doon masabi natin na they are not hype. To mga high win rate, dito na siguro pumapasok yung mga high risk, no? Yan. So you can see, bagsak, bagsak, bagsak din umakyat. So isa lang yung copier. Ewan ko bakit siya nag number one dito. So this is the perfect example of what not to copy. Yan, balik tayo sa recommendations. Dito tayo sa high rating. Yan, so number one pa rin, no? You can also check grow more traders. Let's see if doable yung pag-copy sa kanya, no? Yan. Max drawdown, maganda, no? 1.97, which is very good. And started January, which is fine, which is okay na kasi today is May na. It's around 5 months. So okay. No, there are times na bumagsak, pero may mga times na tulad dito, 672%. Okay. 14%, 71%, it's not bad. 100%, 111%, which is also not bad. And he's doing it on a monthly basis. So again, ito naman, I would say I would give this 10%, no? Kasi, bakit? Because of this. So monthly return 96%, which is almost wipe out ka na dito. So kapag umokay na yung trades mo dito, withdraw na. Okay na. So end of the month or pag okay na yung mga trades, you can stop it. You can stop copying. So yun yung mga ito yung mga active na pagkokopya natin. So hindi ibig sabihin na nakaka-copy trading tayo, we are not going to look at it na magiging passive na tayo. We should still manage it. And we should be very, very cautious pa rin. Kasi ito, pag nag-copy tayo, we are still prone to wipe out. Ayan. So you can see, frequently traded, and profit sharing is 30, which is kung naka 100 ka naman, 30% sa kanya is okay lang, 'di ba? And besides 10% lang naman ang ilalagay mo dito. Ayan. Cumulative copiers 4,000, no? Malaki-laki. Trades per week 5. So hindi siya nag-overtrade, and for sure, no? Kino-close niya talaga yung mga trades niya. Hindi siya nagfo-float loss. So ito max drawdown, which is very, very good. We can copy this, and I would give this my 10%. So ilan na? 50 na. Geo Horizon Funds and Grow More Traders. Tingnan na si Master Hong. Yan. This one is a bit hype, no? 4,591% for 90 days. Let's see for a year. Okay. Max drawdown. Di niya nilagay, probably na wipeout siya dito. Okay. Di niya nilalagay, no? Okay. So may pag-asa naman siya, kaya lang I would still give this at least may 10%. So profit sharing is 10%, which is good. Copiers, marami nagtitiwala. May pag-asa naman siya, no? And besides, if we are doing fine with the others, 30-40% with Geo Horizon Funds, and the other one, Grow More Traders, this one could still get my 10%. So we are about 60% na. Can keep at least 20% in liquid. Okay, ito full na, oh. Let's see. Okay, so we don't want this. Only starting, and max drawdown is not reflected in the profile. Yan, kahit high up in the ranking, we still need to be cautious, no? Tulad kanina. And this one, 83%, hindi niya pa nababawi yan. So, let's pass. Ito kay Smart Cash. Okay. Yan. So again, bukod sa tatlo, we are still not looking. Yes. Okay, so 1 month is actually not enough data. Plus 30% profit sharing is not really a good strategy provider. So money pool, okay, so max drawdown is not reflected in the profile, plus wala pa siya dito. Profit sharing is 30, so very big. 1 million. Okay, so this is hype. Okay, so wala tayong makita, no? So ganun ka sophisticated mamili, no? So hindi ibig sabihin na tulad niyan, return YTD 49,000. We really cannot trust that. Okay? It's really up to you if you want to trust this. Max drawdown is hidden, so probably it's prone to wipe out. Plus trading gold, he he could be wiped out. Okay. 3 months pa lang, wala ring max drawdown. So we can limit our copy trading for these three as of now. Wala sila sa mga top, no? Check natin last na. Okay, so max drawdown is 5, which is fine. 69%, which is okay. Problema lang, kakasimula niya lang and wala pa masyado, no? You can you can at least put 10. Ayan. So iwahiwalay natin, no? That's how we diversify. 20% profit sharing is okay. And nga 69% in a month is not bad. 80% win rate is okay. And okay, so that's it for our cap trading review, and hopefully uh, nakapamili tayo, no. So again, we are recommending Geo Horizon Funds, which is tatlo na lang ang kailangan niya. Grow More Traders, Master Home, the top three, and also this one, slow and steady swing. Slow steady swing. And okay. Last one. Let's check this Axis Gold. Okay, this is hype. So yung mga ganong katataas, probably they put some $100 and then they were able to flip it. Okay, so wala na, no? Fight Trade Pro. Okay, so again, oh, pwede na. Pero duda ako sa mga ganito, no? Max drawdown is 1%, probably okay. Ayan, so wristband 3, so not bad, no? We can give it a chance. You can put 10. You can put 10% of our capital here. So total of how many? This is 40, 10, 10, 60, 70, 80, and we can keep the other 20 as liquid and trade it manually. All right, so that's it for our cup trading review, and thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.